we got an update. Do, 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 do.
Oh, look at what I found.
He's definitely an electrician.
This right here is our main boat harness.
Wire nuts. Wire nuts do not belong in a boat.
Cancel the job.
Broke off.
New day, same steaming pile of dog poo.
Look at this mess. This right here is not factory. Pretty cool. It's an extension cord. It's all extra. All extra. Oh, look at what I found. There's our magic wire. There it is. When it pulls back, when you see me pull, and it pulls back, means it was wired, not from the factory.
He was definitely an electrician.
Look at that. Look at
I love wire nuts. Wire nuts do not belong in a boat. Wire nuts do not belong in a car. Wire nuts belong
In a house.
in a wall in a house.
where it's dry.
Where it's dry.
Right.
Not a good deal at all. So we were going to remove every bit of wire in the boat and start over.
Looks great.
It's a bunch of ground. Broke off. This right here is our main boat harness. Cool.
We're getting closer. We've taken it and we removed the eagle's nest inside the boat, which was the wiring, which we did find some extension cord. We found some speaker wire. We found a lot of wire nuts. And no, nothing really scary popped out at me. Deck's in good shape. Structurally still, we're doing good. I haven't found anything that crawls up and smacks me in the face that says, cancel the job. So we're gonna keep pushing forward. But the steaming pile has less steam. Let's take the rubber rail off first and then you can cut the back. Sound good?
Just get it gutted down to nothing.
I got it! Stay tuned for next week's episode, and always comment. Me, son of a bitch.
Take 20. All right. Stay tuned for next. New day, same boat. Yeah, I like that. Same steaming pile.